How to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a popular mobile wallet that supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and tokens. Now, if you want to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet, you will need to first open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device and access your account by entering the passkey or using your biometrics. Now, once you access your profile, you will land on this homepage. Here, before buying Bitcoin, you need to fund your Trust Wallet with cryptocurrency or fiat currency. You can do this by transferring funds from another wallet or by purchasing crypto directly with Trust Wallet. Now, after you have done that, on this homepage, you will find Buy option. Tap on this Buy option right here. And from this page, you will need to select Bitcoin. Also, it is indicated by BTC. If you didn't find it, you can also use the search bar at the top and enter BTC there. Once you enter this keyword, at the bottom you will find the search results. Now you just simply have to tap on it to reach to a new page. In this new page, you will need to enter the amount that you would like to purchase the Bitcoin. You will also see the amount of Bitcoin that you're going to receive after making the payment with the amount you have mentioned in here. Now, after doing that, choose the payment method you prefer, either debit card or credit card or even bank transfer. Once you have chosen your payment method, now tap on this Buy with Credit Card option and then follow the prompts to complete the purchase. And after purchasing the Bitcoin, you will see it reflected in your Trust Wallet balance. So in this way, you can buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. Also make sure you always enable two-factor authentication on your Trust Wallet for added security. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.